Hello everyone, Namaskara. Today let's begin with the first topic, the Sutra of Ayurveda. The shloka goes as Hetu Lingaushata Jnanam Swastatura Parayanam the Sutram Shashvatam Punyam Bhuputeyam Pitamaha. From the reference Saraka Sutrasthana, first chapter. The three main sutras of Ayurveda are Hetu, Linga and Aushadha. The knowledge of all these three sutras are very much essential and important. Swastatura Paranam, which means that each and every person runs behind the health. Tisutram Shashvatam Punyam means these Tisutras are eternal, which are always present and which are essential. Bhubudeyam Pitamaha. Bhubudeyam here refers to the Lord Brahma from whom the Ayurveda got originated. So he is the Pitamaha of Ayurveda and these Tisutras. So, what do we mean by Hetu, Linga and Aushadha? Hetu is a cause for being healthy as well as a disease being manifested. Linga refers to the signs and symptoms. So, what's the difference between the signs and the symptoms? Signs refers to the one which are observed by the physician and symptoms are the one which are explained by the patient what he is suffering from or what has happened to him. Then Aushadha is, as we know, it refers to the treatment or administration. So these three are applicable for both the Swastha and Atura. Swastha refers to the person who is healthy and Atura is the one who is suffering from any disease, mentally or physically. Then coming to Swastha, how these three are applicable? Hetu, the cause or why the person is healthy. It might be because the person follows the Dinacharya, Rutucharya and the Sadhrut Palana. So by all these means, the person might be healthy mentally and physically. Then Linga, what are the characteristics based on what we can say the person is healthy? Like there is a shloka which goes as Samadosha Samanishya Samadhatu Malakriyaha Prasannatmendriya Manaha Swastha Ityabhidhyate. So there are several characteristics of a person being healthy which we'll discuss in the further videos. Aushadha refers to the treatment. So is it necessary for a healthy person to take the treatment? So as I've said, mentioned about Rutucharya in the Hetu, we have the Rutu Shodhanas, like according to Rutu, the doshas will get aggravated in our body and it gets subsided. So by all these ways, we as a being a healthy person also, we need to follow some rules and regulations and the treatment modalities such as Rasayana and Vajikarna for increasing the lifespan of a person. Then Atura, what might be the cause of a disease manifestation? Like there are few ways like Dadi Gramya who always consumes the Abhishandi Ahara like Dadi, that is curd, even during night, which is contraindicated in Ayurveda. Then Asya Sukha who doesn't have a control over their diet. Whatever they have to eat, they'll just consume it without thinking it even once. And then Swapna Sukha, who is always lazy and who doesn't are active, who are not active in their work. Then Linga, as we know, for each and every disease there are particular signs and symptoms which differs from one another. But we have seen, I have said about Asya Sukha, Swapna Sukha, Gramya, Dadi Gramya and all. So as we consider the Prameha, these are the common causes for Prameha. Linga, by what characters we can say that the person is suffering from Prameha? The common one is the person gets frequent micturition. Then Aushadha, what might be the person, like what are the treatment modalities? They may go for Shamana or Shodhana. Shamana refers to subsiding the aggravated doshas in their body and Shodhana refers to expelling out of the doshas from their body. Shamana, they may follow the Patya Ahara and Viharacharya and Shodhana, they may go for the Panchakarma treatment. Coming to the next topic, Shashvatattva of Ayurveda. What are the eternal qualities of Ayurveda by which we can say that Ayurveda is Shashvata? The shloka goes as, So I am Ayurvedaha Shashvato Nirdishyate Anaditvat Svabhava Samsiddha Lakshanatvat Bhava Svabhava Nityatvacha. From the reference Charaka Sutrasthana 30th chapter 27th shloka. So based on these three qualities, that is Anaditvat, Svabhava Samsiddha Lakshanatvat, Bhava Svabhava Nityatvacha. By these three characteristics, we can say that Ayurveda is Shashvata. So what do we mean by Anaditvat? Anaditvat, that is, the Ayurveda doesn't have a beginning or an end. It is always eternal and which is always present. Svabhava Samsiddha Lakshanatvat, which means that Ayurveda has certain characteristics which cannot be changed or lost. Means the things which are said in Ayurveda cannot be changed as it has already come from Acharyas from many years, which is eternal, that it doesn't have a beginning and it cannot be changed all of a sudden, and it is not lost also. Then Bhava Swabhava Nityatvacha, which means that if a dravya belongs to one varga, the other davyas which have the common characteristics also belong to the same varga, and until and unless the main dravya gets destroyed, the same characteristics is maintained. For example, to make you understand, let's take an example of Shamidanya varga. As you might have heard the vargas like Shukadanya, Shamidanya. Shamidanya refers to the varga of pulses in modern correlation. So all the pulses of having the same characteristics belong to Shamidanya varga. So, for example, Mudga, Masha, Kulata, all these are having certain similar characteristics by which our acharyas have recognized them and put all together under the varga called as Shamidanya Ahara Varga. So, the dravyas having the common characteristics come under the same varga and they possess the same qualities. So, based on these three characteristics, we say that Ayurveda is eternal. Coming to our next topic, Siddhantas. There are several theories established in Ayurveda after proper analyzing. So, coming to the definitions of Siddhanta, derivation, Siddha plus Anta, Siddhanta. It is derived such as Antima Nishkarsha Parinama, that is, the well-established theory or the conclusion of a discussion. So, Siddhanta is the subject which is defined as अतः सिद्धांतो नाम स यः परीक्षकैः बहुविधं परीक्ष्य हेतुभिश्च साधयित्वा स्थाप्यते निर्णयः. From the reference Charaka Vimanasthana 8th chapter 37 slokas. अतः सिद्धांतो नाम स यः. Siddhantas are defined as परीक्षकैः बहुविधं परीक्ष्य. Here bahuvida refers to both parikshakaihi and pariksha. So bahuvidam parikshakaihi means the multiple examiners have examined pariksha, bahuvidam pariksha. Multiple examiners have performed multiple examinations and investigations to prove these siddhantas. Hetu Bhiksha, how they have proved them? By providing various causes and by providing various reasons, they have proved these. Sadhaitva, that is achieving, or they have got these siddhantas after providing the proper reasons for approving them. Stapyate, which are established after providing all those things. Nirnayaha, these are the siddhantas, are definitely the one which are proved or established after proper examinations by various examiners, by providing proper reasons for establishing and proving them, and which are achieved after all the analyzing and discussions. So siddhantas are the subjects which is defined as atah siddhanto nama sa yah parikshakaihi bahuvidam pariksha hetubiksha sadhayitva stapyate nirnayah. Coming to the types of siddhantas, there are mainly four types of siddhantas: Sarvatantra Siddhanta, Pratitantra Siddhanta, Adhikarana Siddhanta, and Abhyupagama Siddhanta. So, what do we mean by these? We shall see in detail about these siddhantas in our next video. Till then, stay tuned with Adwitiyah. Lokaha Samastaha Sukhino Bhavantu. See you all in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.